This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, So Let's Unbox It. And I think today's gonna be a pretty fast video because I only have one thing to unbox, I know. But when I tell you, I am so excited about these, it's not even funny. This is the Mickey Head in the Clouds. I love this. I love this so much. I purchased this, oh God, like a long time ago when I first discovered like, yeah, I think I'm gonna just start unboxing shit on my channel. And I got 3 of them. I actually got the long track, the sunset glow, and the red cloud. And I was like, all right, I'm good. But listen, bitch, I'm a completionist. And I really wanted the gray one and the green one. And so I went on eBay and I bought them. And can I tell you, baby, you know what they sent me? A mafufu. Yeah, okay? It was a mafufu. It was a fake. It was a fraud. And I was so upset because I really just wanted so badly. And they sent me a fake. So I figured, you know what? I'm just gonna get all of them, okay? And I'm gonna give half of them away anyway because I already have, like I said, those 3. So I'm gonna give some away to my friend Erin and to my mom, and then I'm gonna keep the rest. I'm gonna have a little set of them and they're gonna be so sweet and I love them to pieces and I'm so happy. So without further ado, what I'm gonna do, let me open this box up because I cannot wait. This literally arrived and then I went on vacation and then the whole time I just kept thinking, I just wanna open this. Look how cute. This is so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. So I'm gonna start from the side over here. Okay, here's everything that you get. What would be ideal now is if I got the ones that I'm missing, which is pretty much Thundercloud, Leisure Rainbow, Sunny Sky, and got the Secret, which the Secret is like this really pretty dark indigo one called Bright Star. There's 1 out of 72 chances to get that. The other one, there's a 1 out of 6 chance. So I'm gonna guess which one is in this box. And I think this one, I think Long Track. No, I think Leisure Rainbow. No, yeah, I think Leisure Rainbow. I think it's gonna be him, which is the one that I wanted. Oh, bitch! Didn't I say Long Track and then I switched it? I'm kind of psychic, but I'm also not following my gut. Fuck, okay. Bitch. Anyway, this one's super cute. Love him, but you're going to a good home. Look how cute he is. And he has like the little airplane in the ear. Oh, and you're probably asking yourself, how did you know it was a mafufu? There was no stitching on the ear. And it was also kind of shedding. And also the tag looked a little bit janky and up. But everything else kind of looked good, which was really kind of wild. Anyway, it was a mafufu. All right, second box. I feel like it's gonna be Sunny Sky. Yes, I feel like it's gonna be Sunny Sky. You know, I'm not that psychic today, bitch. All right, this is Sunset Glow, which, okay, initially, this was the only one that I wanted because I was like, oh my God, he looks like a little cotton candy dream. But then the more I thought about it, the more I realized I needed them all. So, but he was the one I started with and he's so cute. And look at those little tiny pants. He's sweet. I actually like going to Disney and carrying him around because a lot of people have like the Pop Mart ones and like whatever, I'm, you know, a sheep basically and I have my Pop Mart ones, but it's very rare do you see like one of these little guys and people do double takes because they're like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, it's called goals, bitch. I need help. Box number 3. We're not doing too good right now. I feel like it's gonna be Red Cloud. Watch it be Thundercloud. Watch it be him, but I feel like it's gonna be him. But watch it be Thundercloud. Bitch, okay. Yes, okay, so my Thundercloud didn't have this little stitching, okay? Did not have this on here. Didn't have the little lightning bolt, okay? Supposed to have a lightning bolt. My mafufu, oh, I still have him. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, here's the mafufu. Here's the real one. Here's the mafufu. You could tell the mafufu, 1, the color is a little bit off. 2, it looks like it's made out of rat fur, okay? Because like he's like shedding. Okay, I don't like that. But like he looks, oh wow, and his face too. Like he's like a different color. Oh shit, bitch. But yeah, his ears, nothing. Also, his tail is a little kind of wild. His little ass is wild. His ass is wild. Here, his ass is more contained. And he has that. The little lightning bolt. This evil mafufu. This real. All I need now is Sunny Sky and Leisure Rainbow or The Secret, and then I'll be happy. So I think this is gonna be Sunny Sky. I feel like it's gonna be Sunny Sky. Bitch, okay. Wait, hold on, right? The green and the blue one look almost identical, but bitch, it's the blue one. It's Sunny motherfucking Sky. Oh, he is so cute. Again, look at that little ass puff, all right? He's so cute. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, I love him. I love you. Okay, I love him. All right, I need the green one. I need that Leisure Rainbow, and I need The Secret. I need that Bright Star. I feel like this is gonna be, I have a feeling it's gonna be Red Cloud. I don't want it to be, but I have a feeling it's gonna be Red Cloud. He is so cute. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, look at you. Oh, I kind of love that he's like all different kind of colors of like green and brown or green and yellow, which kind of makes it look a little bit, you know, kind of poopish. But I like it though. That's fun. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so fun. Oh, bitch. So technically I have my set. Okay, so now we're up to one box left. I really want this. I want this to be The Secret. Will this be The Secret? I don't know. Ah, bitch. Oh, okay. Okay, girl. All right, hold on. Okay. Oh, this one's so cute too, though. No, this one's so cute. You looked a little up at first, but you're cute. I didn't get The Secret. But I did get kind of the complete set. I just don't have The Secret, and honestly, I'm not gonna press my luck on eBay anymore because of the mafufu situation. So we're not gonna do that. But I love these though. They're so fun. They're so cute. I'm a huge fan. Anyway, if you were interested in getting Mickey Head in the Clouds, they're only available in Miniso. You kind of have to go to Miniso. I haven't really seen them anywhere else, to be honest with you. I would be cautious about eBay if you're gonna go there because you might get a mafufu situation. But these are pretty fucking sweet. And yeah, you know what? Worth every penny. Every penny. All right, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of the Mickey Head in the Clouds. If you do you have The Secret? And if so, make me jealous, please. I wanna say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. And I'll see you I'll see you little trash bags real soon. Bye.